And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back, everyone. News 5 viewer Jeff Castillo giving us some really pretty sights from around the state over the past weekend, traveling out near Buena Vista, the Twin Lakes area, which is located right by Mount Elbert and Mount Massive, the two tallest peaks here in the state of Colorado. He also did a more local hike recently, this one at Eagle Peak out in El Paso County, just west of I-25 out towards the Air Force Academy. Now, today's temperature is much cooler than what we saw yesterday and really pleasant outside as of the lunch hour, but it's been fairly toasty over the past couple of months. As we all know, you don't need me to tell you that, but I want to show you some of the numbers here. We saw 13 90-degree days back in July, 9 in August, and so far in September, excluding today, we have seen 4 of those 90-degree days, and in total that puts us above the average 27 to date in 2023. The average is 24 in a year. For Pueblo, as we look at triple-digit days, we've seen 20 so far this year, 1 this month, well past the average of 12, but not threatening any records. That 28 of those days back in the year 2012. As we look at the hour-by-hour forecast today, temperatures down about 10 to 12 degrees from what we saw yesterday. Really pleasant overall. Weather picture features light winds, mostly sunny skies, and no sort of rain in the forecast. You can see in the Springs will cool down to the low 70s by 7 p.m. and then dropping down to 66 after sunset at 9 o'clock. For Pueblo, 86 in the middle of the afternoon, 80 by 7 p.m., 72 your 9 p.m. temperature. After today's nice and cooler day, high pressure is going to build in from Texas, and this is going to bring that Lone Star heat to parts of the Four Corners region, including here in southern Colorado. It's a fairly dominant ridge of high pressure that's not really expected to move that much through the start of the weekend, and that's going to keep our forecast area high and dry with above average temperatures at least through Saturday. Now, there could be a little bit of moisture, I think, that sneaks into the region by Saturday afternoon to Saturday night. For now, that looks to favor the eastern plains. Once we get past Saturday, though, things change as we see potentially some wetter conditions develop by Sunday and early parts of next week. All right, take a look at today's comfortable temperatures. Nice to get outside. If you're maybe inside watching us right now, after the newscast ends, get outside and enjoy lunch outside on the patio. 86 in Pueblo, 79 in the Springs, mid-80s in Canyon City. And after today's really comfortable day, temperatures tonight will be the coolest of, I'd say, the month so far. Coolest probably of what we've seen over the past several months. 39 in Westcliff, 47 in Monument, 42 in Woodland Park, and 50 in Colorado Springs. So tomorrow, transition day as we begin to warm things back up. Then by Thursday, forecast calls for a hot and breezy day. Could see some occasional wind gust up over 20, maybe 25 miles per hour, and the possibility of some spotty high fire danger parts of southern Colorado. Notice by the weekend we start out dry but end with a chance of thunderstorms. For Pueblo, 80s today and then at least 5 days in the 90s. We'll see an increase in moisture Sunday, then a cold front Monday brings in cooler and unsettled conditions early next week. Canyon City, I've got us dry and warm through the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Chance of thunderstorms by Sunday. Woodland Park, we're dry through Saturday. Storms returning Sunday into Monday. Stay tuned. We'll have more coming up right after this.